This is a 1988 Lamborghini Diablo steering wheel, and we have, for obvious reasons, dubbed it the Christmas steering wheel because it sure looks like Christmas. But what the customer wants to do is take it back to factory original, so we're going to get rid of the red and green suede that's on that and take it back to a high-end Nappa black leather on the whole steering wheel, and we're going to get rid of that contrasting color stitch and go with the black stitch. So we'll take a look at this after we transform it back to original and see how it looks. Would you look at that? What a drastic difference from those before pictures, huh? So this 1998 Lamborghini Diablo steering wheel actually restored back to new from what someone had done, what we called the Christmas steering wheel, but the red and green suede steering wheel. This customer wants to go back to authentic Lamborghini look, and we're taking care of that for him. Looks so good. All the details, we've embossed those horn logos back onto the horns. They're at an odd angle the way Lamborghini had them done, and what we did is went right back to original Lamborghini. So it looks amazing, looks gorgeous, and is going to help him with his restoration of his 98 Lamborghini back to new and back to original. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com, and we look forward to working with you.